to film me, I'm gonna kick the shit out of you!
With it, group drop.
When it rains, it pours. She like the way I.
Truly in pain. But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Hi, dog. Hi.
How the fuck did he not die?
She left me. Athena. Addie.
Run.
Are you serious? You're gonna pout? You're gonna pout like that.
See, ooh, ah, girl, I love, I tell, I no.
Holy cow.
Excuse me, sir. License and registration?
Oh my god. What are you doing? No. Bailey, no, don't go in there. Don't, Bailey.
Did I really just forget that melody?
Come here.
When I
Maggie, have I told you how pretty you are? Have I told you what a beautiful girl you are, Maggie? Have I told you anything like that?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Hi, Mimi. Watch, her ears go like really far back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound.
wake up. Wake up.
What? Why are you being sassy?
Simba, Simba, show me them legs. Minushka, Minushka, do you have comment? Your husband was taken to the gulag and now all you have to eat are beets to feed your children. Minushka, you have a comment.
Excuse me, sir. I've been wondering if you've found Jesus. Oh my god. He's missing? What? No, not like literally. Have you tried Amber Alert? Cause I saw that shit in a movie once and they found her. No, I mean like spiritually. Like ghosts and shit? Nah, I don't fuck with that. I played with a Ouija board once. I know what you're trying to do. I'm not falling.
Don't stop that dunk-a-dunk. 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 Don't stop that dunk-a-dunk.
That's hilarious. She just went cross-eyed.
Eita!